If you've been looking for ways to trade futures without risking your own capital, you've probably come across Topstep. Topstep's core idea is simple. Prove you can trade profitably within their rules, and they'll fund you with their own money. The process starts with what they call the trading combine. Basically, a simulated account where you trade futures under set conditions. You pick an account size, hit the profit target, and avoid breaking rules like daily loss limits or maximum position sizes. If you pass, you move to the funded account stage. This is where you start trading real money, and the best part is you keep a big chunk of your profits. Currently, 100% of the first $10,000 you make, then 90% after that. That's a pretty generous split compared to a lot of other prop firms. One thing traders like about Topstep is that they give you plenty of educational resources and coaching. They're not just funding you, they're trying to build better traders. This can be especially helpful if you're still learning discipline and strategy. However, Topstep isn't for everyone. Their rules are strict, especially when it comes to loss limits, and breaking one can send you back to square one. Also, there's a monthly fee for the trading combine, so the longer you take to pass, the more you'll pay. That said, they occasionally offer discounts or promotions. Platform-wise, Topstep supports several trading platforms like NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, and TradingView. If you're already using those, you'll be comfortable right away. But, like Apex Trader Funding, they focus on futures, so if you're after stocks or Forex, you'll need to look elsewhere. Feedback from traders is generally positive. They like the fast payouts, the coaching, and the fairness of the evaluation process. The main criticism tends to be that it's easy to get tripped up by the rules if you're not disciplined, especially with futures volatility. Overall, Topstep is a solid choice if you want to trade futures with a reputable firm and have the discipline to stick to their plan. Pass the combine, follow the rules, and it could be your ticket to trading with significant capital without risking your own money.